Picking a programming language, it's like choosing a significant other. You gotta find the right one, or you'll be stuck in a world of endless frustration. Here are some weird facts on how developers pick a programming language. 70% of developers choose a language based on their current project needs. It's like dating someone just because they're convenient. 60% of devs prefer languages with better career prospects. Yeah, it's all about the Benjamins. 40% of developers pick a language based on online tutorials and resources. Because, let's be real, who doesn't love a good YouTube tutorial? 35% of devs choose a language because of its community. It's like joining a cool kids club, but with more coding and less drama. And, surprisingly, only 15% of developers pick a language based on its ease of use. I guess masochism is a thing in the dev world too. There you have it, the not-so-scientific method of choosing a programming language. Happy coding, and may the odds be ever in your favor.